Alright, so I'm finally using this carrier, and you can see I've got these 5 chairs, 2 of these round tables, and I just wrapped the thing around here so it's strapped around this bar. There's no way it can come out, right? These hooks are ratcheted together, right? Pretty strong, and the excess slack is just tied up here so it doesn't flop all around behind me. But yeah, this stuff should hold on pretty good unless this undoes itself, but it should be fine. If anything, I can just tie like normal knots because you can see it's kind of a little bit loose here, but I'll probably figure that out later and tie it better. Then we got this one also wrapped around, and yeah, that's not going to go anywhere. And this one as well, the excess slack is just going around there. That's why this is loose, because that's excess slack. This one wraps around, goes over here, and then hooks to there, goes underneath. And also I routed it under here so it can't come out this way or anything. Alright, so we should be good. I can try and latch it a few more times, but it's pretty tight. I don't want to like bend the chairs by over tightening or make dents in the table. This one's actually really tight compared to the other one, so there you go. Yeah, I'll probably just tie this a bit better, or tuck it somewhere where wind can't like blow it too much, because I made this loop where I can just untie it, or I can just tie it to another one. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And I also put those chairs so, as you can see, we can sit 6 people with all this stuff. There's actually trunk space down here. If I open this, I could actually put this table in there, I think sideways, and it should fit. Actually, let me try that real quick. But I do have stuff in there, so we'll see. Alright, so let me show you how I fit it. So, see that? This, actually, I also put that folding chair back there and a bunch of other supplies and stuff. But I put the 2 benches here. So these are the long benches, and the table. There's that square table that was there earlier. This thing is so deep down here, it fit everything. And I can actually sit all 7 passengers. If I wanted, I can lift that seat up. I can fit 7 people in here. That is insane. Not only that, I still have storage room in the front trunk, but I put all my charging stuff and other things in there, so lots of storage. Big empty hole there, big empty hole there. I put lots of junk in there. And right now it's sitting too far forward, probably because I threw that chair in there. Let me pull that up a little bit. Oops, sorry. And then I can push that forward, shove that junk in there, and of course it closes. All right, plenty room. This one has way more leg space for longer legged people. Well, actually this chair's kind of far back, but if it was moved forward, this person could have lots of leg space, that person would have plenty leg space, and these people have decent amount of leg space as well. The middle is a little bit with that thing, but because it kind of curves over that way, you actually still have plenty of leg space. So yeah, even with it like that. And the reason I slid this one forward is so the person back there can have more leg space. They don't get much leg space, but that's the best you can do, sliding that as far as forward as it lets you. But yeah, you can see got everything in here. That cargo carrier finally came in handy, and yeah. All right, we'll see how this goes. I'm sure it'll be fine, and I just need to get rid of this excess hiding it somewhere. I'll probably just tie it again so it won't be so long. That's probably good enough. All right, and that's it. See you guys later. Bye.